In this video, we will show you how to replace the bar and chain on your Husqvarna chainsaw. Before you start, make sure the chain brake is disengaged by pulling the front handguard towards you. To begin, remove the bar nuts or toolless knob, followed by the clutch cover. Now remove the existing bar and chain and set aside. Place the new guide bar onto the bar bolts and slide so it's in the rearward position. Wrap the new saw chain around the drive sprocket and the guide bar, making sure the drive links are inside the groove on the bar. Double check that the chain cutters on the top edge of bar are pointing forward. Align the hole in the guide bar with the chain adjuster pin and reinstall the clutch cover. Tighten the bar nuts or toolless knob until they are finger tight. Push and hold the bar up while turning the tensioning screw to tighten the chain to your desired tension level. While still pushing the bar up, fully tighten the bar nuts or toolless knob. Now that your saw is set up, it's time to get to work. For more detailed information, please consult your owner's manual. A copy of your owner's manual can be found online at husqvarna.com.